Well, thank you for joining us on our daily National Real Estate Cafe. That's right. Every day we try to share with you really valid information about what's really happening in the real estate and financial world. Due to the fact that the media will take one report and spin it, especially about like such things as the mortgage crisis and when is the next one, and we have 10-year cycles. Well, that's changed because the market went so far down, it's taken us forever to get back up just to mere normal before we can even start another cycle. So, since the mortgage crisis, let's go to this first slide. We have added in many layers of fact checking to make sure that you are prepared to make a life-changing decision and not just purchase a home, but keep your home. So below are some of the standards. There was a time when, believe it or not, all we needed was a credit score and assets, and you got into a home. And that you didn't even have to prove your income. You can basically state what your income was. And that became a problem. That is what created the mortgage crash. Now, even as you hear that credit standards are reducing some, which is good, it's helping more of us get into homes that needed to be reduced. It needed to make it a little easier for you to own a home. But as you can see by this long list of items that we collect, we still do all the fact finding to make sure that you are able to repay that mortgage. It's actually required by law now in the Frank Dodd Act that we have to prove that you can repay that mortgage. You stating your income doesn't prove anything. So now we have to prove it. So for example, we asked for the last 30 days worth of income, past 2 years W-2s, 2 years personal tax returns, and business returns if you own a business. We need to know about your insurance, your assets, whether you filed bankruptcy in the past. If you're divorced, we need to get your divorce papers, credit explanation for any derogatory credit. Anything that we think that is important to you qualify for that home, we have to gather these days. So us at Skyline, what's nice is we gather everything up front. Therefore, we can look at whatever options are available. There's 300 products just with our company alone, so we need to gather that info to give you the right decision. Remember, if you're talking to a bank that's just quoting a rate, they're doing you an injustice. They need to gather the information and look at what options are available for you, meaning down payment options, assets, income options, 30-year fixed versus adjustable rate mortgage, how long you're going to stay in the home. There's so many things to look at. So please work with a mortgage professional. And if you want to ask us more questions, you can email us at don&gino@gmail.com or go to our hub page where literally if you go to YouTube channel, you'll see over 1,800 YouTube videos with interviews with some of the best professionals across the nation and good updates on a regular basis. Or you can get these sent right to your phone by texting NREC to the number 58885. Again, check us out at don&gino.com.